So far, we have discussed about various aspects of technical writing. We mentioned about what is technical writing, what are the purposes. Next, we proceed with the discussions in terms of the typical structures of technical writing, starting from the title to the conclusions. And then we mention about the writing styles, English writing. Next, we discuss about the do's and don'ts of technical writings. And we mention a bit regarding revising your technical writings, where most of the aspects related to the technical writing has been covered. In these videos, I would like to introduce a bit some useful tools that can be used for the academic writing, which I can think of that is related to the engineering research. These are some common tools for academic writings, which include Eng-aim. It is used for the plagiarism check. I believe whoever doing this postgraduate study should be quite familiar with the Eng-aim, as it is one of the requirements in most of the institutions that the percentage of similarity from the published sources cannot exceed certain percentage. Next is the management and referencing tools. Some of the examples are Eng-aim, Mendeley, Zotero. These two can be quite helpful for you to organize your references as a virtual library in your computer, as well as helping you to do the citations in your technical writings. It will save you a lot of time, especially when you are doing this citing and references, where you're going to review and edit several times, which may affect the sequence of the citations and referencings. Next is the grammar checking tools. There are quite a number of them, which you can acquire from the internet. One of them is the Grammarly. And then there is cross-referencing and paraphrasing tools, which is Left and Right. Other than that, there are more useful tools which is related to the engineering research that you can use in producing your technical writing, such as AutoCAD. It is a good tool for you to do the technical drafting. SketchUp, where you can use it to construct 3D models to demonstrate your products in 3Ds. You may also use PDF Exchange Editor. This one allows you to do editing on the PDF file. You can use the Photoshop for you to edit the photo. There is Design Experts, which is used for you to design your experiment. LaTeX is a typesetting system. Microsoft Project, it is used for the project scheduling. SPSS, which you can use it for the statistical analysis. As for finite element modeling program, there will be ANSYS, LUSAS, Abacus. And for the programming and numeric computing, there will be MATLAB, and you're going to use Microsoft Office quite extensively. This includes Microsoft Word, Excel, as well as the PowerPoint. In fact, there are many other tools which is available in the market. Every now and then, there will be new tools developed helping the researcher in completing their research as well as the technical writings. What you see here, in conducting your research, it is not only the investigation program, and it does not only involve writing. You will need to spend some time finding the right tools to help you to increase your productivity. You may not be able to use all these tools. It will be dependent on the purpose as well as the needs for you to use these tools. Nevertheless, it is good to know their features and the functions, what they are capable of, how they can help you in your postgraduate study. You should always keep yourself updated to the latest development of the useful tools which are designed to help the researchers to finish their postgraduate studies. Many of those have the free versions or the student versions, of course with some limited features, which in most of the cases it is adequate for us as a postgraduate students. Unless some advanced features is required, you will need to check with your institutions, check with the computer labs or the CAD/CAM labs whether your institutions have those as the full versions. Therefore, you should find and learn appropriate tools to help you with your research, spending some time to learn those tools and find some way to acquire those. It will significantly increase your productivity as well as the output of your research.